how a newspaper should be read, or how can we improve our vocabulary or our reading skills by reading newspaper? Well, I believe that this question may have different answers for different aspirants. Like if you are a sheer beginner, you may have different way to go, or if you are an aspirant for some competitive examination, you may have different approach. You may be collecting some data or doing some research. That is the another point. I believe that first of all, the basic requirement is that you have to find out the purpose why you are so much curious about reading newspaper. That is the first thing. And the second thing is the interest. If you are not interested enough, you would find that you would hardly go for 7 or 8 days, and then you suddenly stop it. This is the real problem with the students. So what you have to do is that you should go for the easier portion first, and then you can switch to the difficult portion. Why easier portion? I mean that the portion which is easily understood. Like you must have observed that there are some people who are quite interested in politics. There are some who are much curious about sports, and there are others who quite stick to the Bollywood news. So you have to do one thing, that according to your interest, keep on reading at least for 20 or 30 days, and that will help you forming the habit of reading. So what happens is that you would not stop in midway, and then you can switch to the difficult portion, or the portion which is of utmost importance, and you can leave those things which are not of that much importance. So you have to do one thing, is that first start with simple things, and once you form a habit, you may go for the task which is of utmost importance, and in this way you would easily form a habit of reading newspaper or any book effortlessly. Wish you best of luck.